Let's get to know the installation procedure for the Atlantic-Oase BioPress UVC pressure filter with integrated UV clarifier. These compact filters are designed to clean and clear ponds with a combination of mechanical and biological filtration, plus integrated ultraviolet clarification. To install, begin by locating the BioPress UVC pressure filter at least 6.6 feet from the edge of the pond, in a flood-protected position on firm, level ground. The filter can be partly buried up to 2 inches below the closing clamps. Ensure unrestricted access to the cover for maintenance, and make sure that filtered water isn't set to discharge any higher than 6.6 feet above the filter lid. Refer to the packaging for the correct tubing size to avoid pressure loss. There are 4 stepped adapters included with the filter, 3 with union nuts to allow easy removal, 1 threaded adapter with 1.5-inch threads. Use the black union adapter for the line coming from the pump to the inlet of the filter. Use clear adapters on the return and drain lines so that the water can be visually checked for flow and clarity during the cleaning process. Assembly is the same for all adapters. Starting with the larger black stepped adapter, slide the union nut over the adapter and insert a flat sealing gasket. Repeat for the clear adapters, using a flat gasket for one, and the flow indicator gasket on the other. Attach the adapters to the BioPress, the clear with the flow indicator to the return to the pond, the black to the inlet side from the pump. Check the tubing for fit. Cut off the unneeded smaller segments of the adapters with a saw to avoid unnecessary restriction. Place a hose clamp on the hose. Push the tubing on the adapter as far as it will go on the appropriate step and tighten the clamp. For this installation, we return the flow from the filter to a fast fall spillway installed in the stream using the threaded adapter. We cut off the unnecessary segments of the adapter, applied silicone on the threads, and screwed the adapter into the spillway. After cutting the hose to length, we slid a hose clamp over the hose and attached the return line to the spillway, then tightened the clamp. Attach the inlet line from the filter to the pump using the fitting supplied with the pump in the same manner. Assemble a union fitting with a gasket. Slide a hose clamp over the hose. Cut off the unnecessary steps on the stepped adapter. Twist the hose firmly onto the adapter and tighten the clamp. Place the pump in the pond and hide the hose. Plug the pump in first, allowing water to fill and circulate through the filter before plugging the UVC clarifying unit in. Do not operate the unit without water flowing through it. Check all connections for any possible leaks, then plug in the UVC. The indicator light should be visibly lit. In the event of overheating, the built-in temperature monitor will switch the UVC lamp and the indicator light off automatically. They will switch on again automatically once it's cooled down. Finally, Keep in mind that the newly installed filter will require a few weeks to reach its full biological cleaning capacity, and that the bacteria only function fully at temperatures of 50 degrees and above. And that's everything you need to know to install the BioPress UVC pressure filter. Next up, maintenance for the BioPress. Don't forget to like and follow us on social media. Check out our website for more in-depth information on this and all our products. See you in the next video.